The best way to end something negative is to let it starve. Conflict thrives on attention. The moment you engage yourself in any conflict, it will pull you fully and completely into it. That's the quality of any negative feeling or emotion. But if you simply let it be, if you withdraw your energy away you know, like a fire deprived of the fuel, it cannot go on burning. Our world is built on patterns, loops, of course, and it affects most people in the same way, and they react back to the same situation in the same way, and they stay trapped within it, reacting endlessly, playing the same game over and over and over again. But let me tell you, there's a small secret. You don't have to play the game. Step back, and the game itself will collapse. Step away, and a new pathway will unfold in your attention. You know well, energy flows where your attention goes. Do not return back to any negativity, because it is very easy to get sucked in and pulled into it. You have to put a small effort to break the cycle. And the most simple but very powerful tool is your breath. Here again, if you feel that you are getting irritated or frustrated, or you are getting trapped into the same type of loop, just take a nice and relaxed, I won't say relax, just take a deep breath. And when you are releasing your breath, just release your breath out for 1 to 3 seconds, little extra, and just be outside with your breath, and you will see the pattern will break. So now take in a deep breath, release it, hold it out, 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 and relax. You can do it several times to come out of that negative.